You don't know.
Hey, let's talk to Dr. Alan Coleman, the finest dentist in the world, right here at Coleman Dental and Limestone Smiles. Good morning, Dr. Coleman. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Yeah, it was a shocker the other day. I mean, almost a shocker.
I love it.
It was a shocker to me. It wasn't 40-0.
Yeah, that's true. I was going to tell you, I love it when we're out and someone's like, I'm new to the area, and they start asking you questions. They're like, I need a dentist. I'm like, oh, let me tell you where you need to go.
Good.
Why should people come to a guy who's wanting to be a dentist since he's old enough to walk?
12.
Why not?
Well, exactly.
He knows what he wants.
Yeah.
I mean, y'all got anything new this week that you didn't have last week? I mean, y'all are up on technology. You always got something going on.
Well, we're ramping up for our E4D service. We're moving towards same-day crowns with little or no temporary time. So that's going to be a good thing for our...
Especially if you need a crown.
Now, that's usually, what, a 2 or 3 week process? You got that temp in there?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
you don't have to come back. It's just maybe an hour.
Anywhere from same day to less than a week. So.
Which is good, because if you've ever had to have a temporary, then you're like wondering, okay, where am I going to be? What if it comes out? Do I walk around like this? So it's good.
I mean, you do. I had somebody that sent me something the other day about, does Roy Williams help people, still hypnotize people smoking? And I said, well, yes and no, but I said, hey, Dr. Alan Coleman can help you with that problem.
Yeah.
I said, really, a dentist? I said, yes.
Absolutely, of course.
How does that work?
Well, you know, we're one of the first lines of recognition for oral cancer, and we encourage folks to try to stop the tobacco habit. So
how bad
we screen for that. Well, nicotine's the most addicting drug in the world, has been for a long time, and unfortunately, it's carried through tobacco, so, you know, it's all about getting off the tobacco.
What are some signs if someone may have some issues? Are there some first developing signs?
If you've got an ulcer in your mouth that's been there more than 2 weeks and it does not hurt, you need to have it looked at.
Does not hurt?
Does not hurt.
Ooh, scary. So those are the ones you forget about, and they go on and get worse and dangerous.
Right.
Gotcha.
You guys practically got everything going down there but a day spa.
But you got the massage chair and the music.
Maybe someday, yeah.
Hey, okay.
It never amazed you how much you guys have been able to grow the last 10 years in a city of 20,000 people?
Really?
Well, not since we started advertising ZTV. So.
Wait a minute, I don't think I heard, I think my ears...
It's been 10 years, hasn't it?
It's been 10 years. We started our 10th year here, and still got photographs of y'all standing up against the wall in the basement of ZYP. So.
It's amazing. We have both your business and our business. I mean, how different in the past 10 years it has gone, and how fortunate we all are.
Yeah, a lot of growth, and we've been fortunate.
Or do we think we're nuts?
Well, you know.
Growth is good.
Yeah, it is.
You dentists, you always recruiting new dentists.
Yeah, we're about to have another doctor join our group any day now, and then in 13 we'll have another one, and we are always trying to get to where we can treat people as soon as possible on the spot for as many services as possible.
Emergency services as well.
Got to give a shout out to Lisa's cousin Stanley. He hand delivered us a Christmas card the other day.
And sung us a song again. Love it.
All right, teeth whitening. You got all the Zoom. You got everything. What's the newest thing in that? Because I know that's one of Lisa's big specialties.
Well, we boost or Zoom or Venus White. We've got several combinations of bleaching. Some of it, well, most of the time it comes down to how fast you want it done. So.
Well, Christmas Christmas parties coming up, people want it.
Yeah, good stocking stuffer as a bleaching gift certificate. So.
Yeah, really,
got
they'll
those
appreciate
available.
It.
And you throw a toothbrush in on that too?
Sure.
Yeah, I've got enough toothbrushes for you to last me, because I like to use one for about 2 or 3 years.
Oh, I swap them out.
All right, what else we need to do at Kobe? Accept new patients all the time. Just give them a call down, talk to Abby, and make your appointment.
Yeah, every day, and we're, you know, now with Limestone Smiles, we're able to see most everybody on the spot. You know, we try to have access and emergencies and routine treatment. So.
Usually if someone has a toothache, I've known from in the past, but you have a toothache today, oh, it's gone tomorrow, I don't think about it until you're in massive pain.
Well,
Don't put it off.
Yeah, but that's just kind of, I guess, human nature, you know. Most people don't come to see us unless they're in pain or they're concerned about their appearance. But
Keep those teeth cleaned regularly.
Hey, Dr. Alan Coleman, Coleman Dental Group, 232-0789, taking care of your mouth one tooth at a time.
That's
How's that for
right.
you
Floss
folks?
the ones you want to keep.
that's right.
That's right. Floss one you want to keep. Keep on smiling. Limestone Smiles, too. Roll Tide again, Dr. Coleman.
Roll
Thanks
Tide.
for the bracelet. I wear it every day. It's my good luck.
Good
charm.
luck.
Yeah. Good luck on that, too. I didn't see y'all at the parade last night, but I'm sure everybody was parked in front of your office. You probably couldn't even get into it yesterday.
Well, I was at Limestone Smiles last night, so we were working late, both of us.
So you'll get to watch it.
All right, a couple reminders before we get out here on this Friday morning. If you have Knowledge, Comcast,
Charter.
Charter,
Come.
call your provider today. Tell them you want
Uverse.
11.2, the Nashville Network with the Rick and Bubba Show, where we can hook that up, turn it on for you.
Gonna be
All
up
right,
to you.
get that in mind.
Need to
Last
call.
night we were at the parade. Mayor Ronnie Marks and Gloria hosted it again this year. They
Yes.
do every year. Huge crowd, temperature in the 60s.
Beautiful nights.
You'll be able to see it next week, sponsored by the Coleman Dental Group, by Don Simons over in Huntsville, too, and by Greg
Cool.
Crow right here. They're the big sponsors of that, and a lot of other you folks are, too. Here's a sample of what you're going to see next week. This is the beginning of it when Ronnie and Gloria are out there kind of goofing around a little bit. But we'll show it a lot to you next week, too. We're going to get out there for the weekend. Don't forget, big football
Yay,
game, Army-Navy
Friday.
tomorrow.
Sure.
Woohoo! All right, we'll
Navy.
see y'all next week.
Bye.
Oh, you rolling? Whenever you're ready. All right. Gloria will kick this off.
Oh my goodness. We're so fan. We're here at the Athens Reliance Bank Christmas Parade.
I know, and
Wow.
I got on a sweater and burning
We're not
up.
bundled.
Yeah, you know, a couple of years ago, what was it, 5 degrees wind chill or something like that? Well, what a beautiful night. We got a great crowd here, and Reliance Bank sponsored another great annual Christmas parade.
They had no idea that the weather would be this
No,
beautiful,
they didn't.
but yet look at all the entries we had. Well over.
Down by the railroad tracks. Beat me down by the railroad tracks. With this woman in my head. With this woman in my head. I'm gonna be a loving man. I'm gonna be a loving man. The best I can. The best I can.
Good job, Mayor.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you. Hey, Grandma.
This is hers. This is hers for Christmas, Jamie. That's what Gloria wants. It's got her name on. It's already monogrammed for her.
You're going to get a station wagon.
I was gonna say.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
Tom.
Christmas, Jamie.
What's going on, Jamie?
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. How are y'all? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hey. That's great.
It feels wonderful out here.
It does.